arrived on the flight from New York. He's talking to someone. I'll follow them.
And have you been to the UK before?
A few times, actually. I work for a magazine in the States, New York 24/7. Oh, we have a sister company in London.
Oh, I see. And are you here on business this time?
Sort of. I'm here for a few meetings, but I have a couple of days off beforehand. I'm visiting my father-in-law in the countryside. How about you? How was your holiday in New York?
It wasn't really a holiday. I was doing some research there.
Sounds interesting.
It was, but I didn't have much time for sightseeing. Is your husband coming too?
No, he's working.
What does he do?
He's a journalist. He's on assignment in Alaska at the moment.
In Alaska? Wow.
I know, right? I've never been, but he says it's incredible.
I can imagine. A bit different from the English countryside.
That's true.
I better go. Oh, before I forget, here's your laptop.
Oh, yeah, thanks a lot. Sorry, I didn't ask your name.
Andrew Page. And yours?
Jenny Zielinski. It was nice meeting you.
You too.
And thanks again for helping with my bags.
No problem. Have a great time at your father-in-law's.
I will, if I ever get through here.
Bye then.
Yeah, bye. Take care. Henry, hi. Yeah, I'm here at last. The flight was late taking off. I'm so sorry you've had to wait for me. I know, and you won't believe this. It looks like my suitcase didn't get here. I'm not sure. It's turning out to be a nightmare. Can't wait to just get back to your house and... Oh, hang on, I have to go. It's my turn. Bye.
Can I help you?
Yeah, my suitcase hasn't arrived.
Which flight were you on?
Flight RT-163 from JFK.
I'll take your details and then I can issue you with a reference number. Can I have your name, please?
My name's Jenny Zielinski. That's Zielinski.
And you're a visitor to the UK?
That's right.
How long are you staying for?
10 days?
Okay, how many bags are you missing?
Just one, a suitcase.
Can you describe it for me?
Well, it's kind of grayish blue and hard plastic, I think.
And what size is it?
Oh, it's medium size, like this, and it has wheels.
Anything else?
Yeah, there's a small lock and a label with my name and phone number on it.
And what was in the suitcase?
Just about everything. Clothes, toiletries, all my personal belongings, really.
Can I have your address in the UK?
Oh, just a minute. It's The Grange, Marsh Lane, Long Crendon, Oxfordshire.
And a contact number?
Yes, it's 001 202 494 012.
And finally, can you sign this?
Of course. Do you have any idea where it is? I mean, do you think it's still in New York?
It's possible. We're very sorry for the inconvenience. Here's your reference number. You can track the progress of your luggage online or just give us a call, but we should be able to get it back to you within 24 hours.
That'd be great. Thank you. So then I had to go to lost luggage and report it missing.
You poor thing! What a journey.
Well, I'm here now.
Dad, it's lovely to see you.
It's great to see you too.
No, let me take that.
It's okay.
You've had a hard journey. Allow me.
Thanks, Henry.
We've got a problem.
I can't believe I'm not there with you, Jenny.
Neither can I. It's weird, isn't it?
I really miss you.
Me too. How's Alaska?
Not great. It's been snowing all day. I haven't left the hotel.
Oh, no, that's awful.
What are you drinking? Is that coffee?
No, it's tea.
Tea?
It's good, really.
Where's Dad now?
I think he's getting me something. I'm not sure what.
So, why are you using his computer?
Oh, it's crazy. You know my laptop?
Yeah.
This screen keeps popping up and asking me for a password. I've never seen it before. I'm worried I have a virus.
It's not your day, is it? First your suitcase and then your laptop.
No, but your dad's being so nice. And he says your cousin Luke will be able to fix my computer for me. Apparently he's kind of a computer geek.
Kind of. He's a genius. If he can't do it, nobody can.
Yeah, well, I'm going to go see him tomorrow.
Here's a pair of my pajamas you can use, Jenny.
Oh, wow. You'll look great in those, Jenny.
Selena Lavelle?
Selena, it's grand. She's in the house, but she isn't alone. I could come back tomorrow with...
No, stay there. All night, if you have to.
Yes, boss.